Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. I am showing a quick tag card for you today, and it is with simple card layers using a tag and background dies. I'm also using stamps by Unity, or a stamp by Unity, and a little bit of Copic coloring. And so from Unity I have Every Wish stamp, Make a Tag die set, Fallout hearts background die, and scallops and rectangles nesting dies. Those are all pre-cut and ready to go and layer and color up. So I am using Copic markers. I'm listing them here and on my blog. And this girl is real easy to do. If you're going to use Copic markers for color, make sure you stamp with Copic friendly ink. And also you don't need Copic markers at all. You can use anything you have on hand for color. I happen to have some Copics, but you don't have to go and use a ton of them for just simple stamping. You can just pick a few and just use those colors. I use some skin tone colors for her skin and also some of them for the hair. And then I went in and added a little bit of a darker shade of brown to fill in some of those areas that would have shadow or darker areas for the hair. So that was real easy to do. And then the skin tone, I think I used 2 or 3 colors for that, and blue for the dress. So go ahead and tie a little hemp twine around that tag and layer up with foam and flat double-sided tape all of those layers to build the card. I have some dies that are heart die cuts that came out of that background die that work perfectly for accents on cards. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe and have a wonderful day.